Hey guys, Dr. Anthony Gustin here, helping you get into keto fast. And so a lot of people ask, how fast, how long does it take to get into ketosis? Depends per person, unfortunately, but there are some ways that you can speed that whole process up. So number one is to actually fast. And so a lot of people don't like this one, but it is true. So what happens here is when you restrict all food in general, your body is hungry for nutrients. And so it can't draw on carbohydrates, even in a small amount. It can't draw on protein, fat, anything. So it has to start using your own body fat. So that's step number one, is just to not eat at all. So that will severely limit carbohydrates and really speed up the process. It's gonna be uncomfortable, but that is a good way to do it. Number two, to do that fast plus exogenous ketones. So if your body's switching over its energy sources, it's gonna have to do some work. So the machinery is gonna have to change over a little bit. And so if you give yourself some exogenous ketones, what happens is your body starts upregulating all the enzymes that you need to actually use ketones for energy. Number three, on top of that, would be get some activity. And so even if that's a long walk, if it's going on a short jog, if it's doing some resistance training, whatever it is, it's really gonna speed that up because you're just increasing the energy demands on your tissues. And so those three things in conjunction was probably gonna shorten your keto adaptation time and the overall time you get into a state of ketosis by a week, 2 weeks, days. It's gonna be different for everybody, but this is gonna really kickstart you and get you in ketosis fast. And so this also helps if you have been in ketosis for a while and you got kicked out, maybe you had fun times over the holidays, whatever it is. Following these three things of fasting, using exogenous ketones, and getting some activity are going to be speeding up your adaptation back into ketosis. If you have any questions about how to get into ketosis past that, pop in the comments below or send me an Instagram message. I answer every single DM, so at Dr. Anthony Gustin, and we will see you guys next time.